So I discovered that a lot of customers that I sold foreign used cars to about a year or 2 years ago, once they bring the car back for swap deal or they want to upgrade it or sell it off, some of these cars are always not well maintained. And after talking to some of them, I discovered that it's not as if they don't want to maintain their car, but they don't have idea of simple tips that they should always follow in the car to make it last long. So today, let me just give you some list of things you should do to keep the car in good shape for a long time. Number one is regular changes of oil. Once you drive your car for about 5,000 to 10,000 kilometers, you just need to change the oil, change the service it, change the filter also with it. Keep that in mind. Number two, check tire pressure and treading. Once your car tire is deflated in one part, it doesn't have to be fully deflated before you go and gauge it. And always check for that wear and tear in the tire section. Once you see something like this, just know your car needs alignment. You need to go and check it and do the needful. Number three, monitor your fluid level at least once or twice in a week. Always check all the fluids in your engine compartment. Check the engine oil, the gear oil if it's possible, the brake oil, the power steering oil, the radiator coolant. Always keep this in mind. Check them so that anything that will happen to the engine or the brake or the the gear, it won't be all of a sudden. You know you've checked it ahead and you've done the needful. So number four is inspect the belt and the hose in the car engine compartment. If you see any leaking of oil or water in your car engine compartments, once you notice any leakages in the engine room, oil or water from any hose there, please pay attention to it and take it to your mechanic to check it. And the belt also, always check it before you start the engine, at least once or twice in a week. Once you notice any part of it that is tearing off or wearing off, you need to change it, especially when there is oil dropping on the belt. The belt will soon get spoiled, so please pay attention to that. Number five, replace your air filters. Whenever you go to service your car, always make sure they check your air filters for you. It might not need to be changed, might just be dusted off. Yes, might just dust the filter and you are good to go. That air filter is very important. Please check it properly. Then whenever you see number six, whenever you see this thing in your car battery terminal, just know you need to wash that thing off. It will drain your battery as time goes on. Always please check it to wash it off. And number seven is brake checks. Whenever you notice your car brake is not as sharp as before, you don't have to wait till the car brake is failing before you go and check what is wrong with it. Please try and go and check what is wrong with it. It might just be brake pad. Pay attention to that. Number eight is pay attention to warning lights. Always look at those lights in the dashboard. Once you are seeing a light you don't understand, quickly take it to your mechanic whenever you can, so they rectify it for you, because it might spoil more than what you might even expect in your car. So last but not the least is drive smoothly. Yes, try to drive smoothly. It's not all the time that you have to be running with your car if it's not necessary. Do you understand? You can attain a very high speed in your car without starting off aggressively. Do you get? All these things are things that can wear off your gear and your engine quickly as time goes on. So if there are other tips you would like to share or talk about in the next video, send a DM, or you can also drop it in the comment section. Bye for now.